Tired of dealing with cluttered walls, lost remotes, and complicated control systems? It can be frustrating to have so many devices and not being able to control them all in one place. Say hello to the new Tile display, the perfect solution for all your home automation needs. It's a 3.5-inch multifunctional panel. The upgraded color interface is specially designed to make it easier for children and the elderly to use. The bold color scheme and easy-to-use controls make it simple and intuitive for everyone. And the best part? The Tile display helps keep your wall tidy by integrating all your home devices. With the Tile display, you can accurately control them with ease, like lights, curtains, HVAC, and music. Just touch or slide the icons for control. For example, you can turn the lights on or off, control the brightness, color, and color temperature. AC control is also simple. You can find the cooling, heating, and dry mode all on one page. All the features mentioned can be controlled at the same time. That's why you don't need to worry whether you've forgotten to turn off the kitchen lights or the AC in the living room when you're away from home, because the Tile display has got you covered. And that's not all. The Tile display accommodates other Tile series panels, allowing you to integrate even more features. So why wait? Get yours today and experience the difference.